Hello friends, welcome to another concept of triangles. This is called as the basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. This is asked many times in the exam. Sometimes the theorem is directly asked as basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem. Sometimes the question is given in the exam in the form of this text which is pasted below, or sometimes there are questions based on the Thales theorem that are being asked. Overall, in the last 10 years, either the theorem has been asked directly or a question based on this theorem has been asked every single year. Okay, so a very important concept from the perspective of class 10 board exams. Let's read and start solving this one. So this video will actually cover the proof of this theorem. Okay, so the theorem states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So let's say ABC is a triangle and the line PQ is actually parallel to BC. Okay, so what is given to us? What is given to us is PQ is parallel to BC. This is given to us. We have to prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is what we have to prove. So the given is PQ is parallel to BC, and what we have to prove is that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Now, to prove this, we'll have to do some construction. Okay, we'll have to do some construction. So what construction we'll do is we will actually join PC and QB. Join PC and QB. Okay, when we join PC and QB, it will start looking like this. PC and QB are joined now. Okay, also we will need to draw Q. From Q we need to draw a perpendicular. Let's say QD is the perpendicular to AC. Okay, so another construction is construct QD, which is perpendicular to AP. You can actually write exactly like this in the exam also. Another construction you will do is join PE, which is perpendicular to, draw PE, which is perpendicular to AQ. With this, we have set up our solution. Now, if you look at the area of the triangle APQ, area of the triangle APQ will be half into the base. The base of APQ is AP multiplied by the height. Height of APQ is QD. With me so far? Okay, so area of triangle APQ and divide area of triangle APQ with area of triangle PBC. So area of triangle PBC is half. The base of PBC will be, PBQ. This will be PBQ. Okay, so base of PBQ will be half of PB. And if you look very carefully in the area of PBQ, the altitude of PBQ is QD. Okay, I will halt or pause for a moment so that you can digest this equation. Area of APQ is half into AP multiplied by QD, which is the perpendicular for APQ. But the same QD is also the perpendicular for PBQ. So I am dividing the area of triangle APQ with area of triangle PBQ, wherein area of triangle PBQ is this. So half into PB into QD. Now if you look very carefully, what happens is the half and the half will get cancelled and QD and QD will get cancelled, and what you'll be left with is AP upon PB. So area triangle APQ upon area triangle PBQ is equal to AP upon PB. This is one part of what we have to prove here. Now the second part will do something very similar, which is area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. PQC. Okay. So here what will happen is area of triangle APQ will be what? Half into base, which is AQ, into the height, which is PE. And this time the area of triangle PQC will be how much? Half into the base. The base is QC, and the altitude is again PE, just like the previous time. And just like the previous time, half and PE will get cancelled. What you'll be left with is AQ divided by QC. Now, if this top one is my equation 1, and if this is my equation 2, then what will happen is, if you check very carefully, the LHS of equation 1 and equation 2 are the same, because since area of triangle PBQ is equal to area of triangle PQC. Why? They are actually triangles on same base and between same parallels. So because of this, what happens is the LHS of equation 1 and equation 2 becomes the same. And if the LHS of equation 1 and equation 2 becomes the same, then the RHS should also be same. Correct? So since LHS is same, area triangle APQ upon area of triangle PBQ is equal to area triangle APQ upon, since LHS is the same, area triangle PQC. Since LHS is the same, RHS should also be the same. RHS should also be same. And since RHS will be same, we will get AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is what we wanted to prove. This is what we started with, and this is what we wanted to prove. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, to put down your queries in the comments below. But please remember, practice this multiple times. This question can come directly in the exam for 3 to 4 marks. Okay? Keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.